Hello, this is Affan, and you are seeing my YouTube channel. This is human femur bone. Actually, this is longest thigh bone in human body. This is femur bone, whole length of femur bone made by using famous designing software Solidworks and PTC Creo. Also, Fusion 360 can be used to create this model. So in this video I will tell you how to make this femur bone using SolidWorks or any other software. First, or if you want to get this model, you can contact me. The contact detail are in description or in comment box. So this is first of all I made these femoral condyles. These are the two femoral condyles. You can see these condyles will articulate on uh, femoral cartilage, then on meniscus, and finally on tibial cartilage, which will rest on tibia bone. These all three or four bones will make human knee joint the most complex and largest joint in human body. Then, after making these femoral condyles, uh, you have to make the upper portion. How you can make upper portion? By using spline. I will let me say that you select any of plane by right side, right plane or top plane, just like a top plane. Then you have made this spline like this spline. This is spline shape. Then you have to not extrude. In generally we are extruding to make a femoral other part, but in this bone structure a lot of curves and spline here, so you cannot extrude. Directly extrude is not giving better result, so you have to go for other option. Other option will discuss in several video. In this video we are discussing how to generate a anatomy of femur bone by using spline command and then not extruding. Extrude will result in straight portion, here I have extruded. So you have to go another option. You can see the right plane origin. This is part name solid body. This is solid body, and you can import in ANSYS for structural simulation by applying bone material. So what are the properties of bone material? 17,000 megapascal, young modulus, and 0.33 Poisson ratio. So in next video I will tell you how to make tibia bone, femoral cartilage and other part. Now if you want to render it, you can render also by clicking here, appearance, and yes, a lot of colors are here. You can use any other color. Okay, the color is here, and these are femoral condyles. This is the whole length morphology. You can take length from any research paper. So this is one part, not another part. These are the faces of femur bone, and if you want to get this model, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number +92 324 26 39275, or email me to get the SLD file or IGS file AFFANNED399 @gmail.com. I will provide this email in my description or in the comment below. Also you can comment so that I will provide the file. or any other kind of help in biomechanics and simulation. Thank you.